Hello, I'm Joe from Carême Cooking Classes, and today we're going to make banana bread. It's really good. It takes about 5 minutes to make. It keeps really well and it's absolutely delicious toasted. So let's get started. All right, here we go. We want 300 grams of ripe, very ripe bananas. That's normally 3 bananas, but we'll just check it. Chopped up a little bit. Ooh, the scales have gone off. You can often get ripe bananas cheaply, of course, because the shops would let them go overripe sometimes. And this is all done in the processor. You just stick everything in. That's 253, so I'm not going to, quite big bananas, so I'm not going to quite need all of them. Just over 300, that's good. And then next thing, first thing, I had my tin out. First thing was supposed to be to line the tin. There you go. We'll do that next. So a piece of non-stick baking paper. And it's just a normal loaf tin. My paper never covers the ends, just covers the sides. That's fine, but get it ready first. And I've got the oven to 180. And we want 270 of caster sugar. I always use caster sugar. I use caster sugar for everything. You don't need plain sugar, because caster sugar is better for everything. Whiz that up. Then add, what's next? I think it's the eggs. Yes, next is 3 eggs. And then oil and milk. And because it's oil, this will make our banana bread keep longer. Any cake with oil in will keep longer. Yeah. We want 120 of plain oil. I'm using canola. And 160 of milk. So I'm just measuring them together, so I want 280, don't I? That's it. Whiz that up. And then we want self-raising flour and baking soda. 250 of self-raising, which should be, it's 187. Ooh, golly, so it's some. It's just under 70, isn't it? So 68. I want 68. Ooh, 76, too many. 68, exactly. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And I do always sift baking soda. If you've ever had lumps of baking soda in a cake, you'll know why. That's a beginner's mistake. Especially we used to do it on carrot cake, lumps of baking soda. Oh dear, ooh, not good. Just mix that a little bit. And stick it in the tin. Bob's your uncle. Off we go. Run through our list of ingredients just to check. Yeah, that's it. That really is. It takes 45 minutes to cook. You think it's very wet, but trust the recipe. And you think 45 minutes is a long time for it to cook too. Trust the recipe. When all else fails, follow the instructions. Something with baking soda in, don't mess about, put it in the oven pretty quickly. There we go, into the oven. All right, here's the banana bread. He's cooked, he looks great. I'll take him out of his tin. And, oh, there we go. Oh, better up the other way. Ooh, tricky. Ooh, yep. He's still warm. I leave it to cool before I cut it. He's lovely like that. I think it's even better when it's cooled down, when it's toasted. Oh yes, toasted warm with butter. It's very good. That's it, banana loaf. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.